Did you know that the success rate of traditional addiction treatment is less than 5%? This is about the same success rate of people who spontaneously quit using on their own. Traditional treatment is a dismal failure and is missing a key component, brain health recovery. If you have clients that continue to struggle with mental health and addiction despite your best efforts in teaching them coping strategies and setting goals, this is the course for you. Help your clients succeed in sobriety by including brain health in your strategies. The need to white-knuckle their way through a craving or urge is over. People cannot talk their way into a healthy brain when it has been hijacked by chemicals, and yet we expect them to do just that. That is all changing, and we can help. In our nationally certified brain health recovery coaching course, we will address the importance of rebuilding the health of your brain through holistic neurotransmitter repair. We will give you the skills you need to provide clients with significantly improved outcomes. This means more sobriety and less suffering. Our training includes the Professional Brain Health Recovery Coach Immersion Training, a free self-study relapse prevention course, 10 weeks of clinical supervision, the manual exam, self-study ethics class with manual and exam, and our #1 best-selling workbook. We want you to be the most educated in the industry and confident that you can deliver a great coaching experience to your clients. Addictions of every kind create massive changes to your chemical messengers, or neurotransmitters, that not only affect you both physically and emotionally, but also make the potential for relapse greater. Many people discuss neurotransmitters such as dopamine, norepinephrine, serotonin, and GABA, but do not offer solutions to these imbalances. We will teach you the key neurotransmitters that the brain needs to become balanced and return to homeostasis. We will also teach you how to assess for neurotransmitter imbalance and how to correct it with nutrients, amino acids, essential oils, and the basics of gut health. Brain health through neurotransmitter balance is the missing component to long-lasting recovery. A tremendous amount of research supports neurotransmitter repair in the addiction recovery process. Your clients will no longer have to white-knuckle their way through recovery. Instead, they will be able to sustain recovery and have an improved mood at the same time. With our certified brain health recovery coach training program, you will be equipped to help your recovery client in healing their brain and restoring their health through neurotransmitter repair. Pair our nationally certified brain health coach class with our nutritional recovery coach class and our nationally certified fitness and recovery class for the total health and wellness experience to help your clients gain the most of their recovery. What you will learn in the brain health class: the fundamentals of neurotransmitters, which includes understanding neurotransmitter pathways, learning about nutrient cofactors specific to neurotransmitter repair, learn mood-related symptoms indicating neurotransmitter imbalance. You will learn essential amino acids and specific protocols. Understand the neurotransmitter assessment process. Identify specific amino acid protocols to correct the imbalance. We will discuss essential oils and recovery. Understand how to use essential oils properly. Identify specific essential oils and their impact on the brain. Learn about what to look for in essential oils. Get essential oil diffuser and roller bottle recipes. We will talk about the genetic code and recovery. Learn about specific genetic coding that could be contributing to mental health and addictions. Learn the basics of epigenetics and how to use this information to help clients. We will also be discussing gut health basics. Understand the gut-brain connection. Learn the basics on healing the gut. Understand the importance of gut health in neurotransmitter repair. And we will give you a pro-recovery diet, including understanding the basics of nutrition in mental health and recovery, help clients understand the connection between food and mood, gain an understanding of the number one predictor of relapse, which is hypoglycemia. Our nationally certified brain health recovery coach training is ideal for therapists, addiction coaches, personal trainers, yoga teachers, weight loss consultants, health coaches, fitness trainers, group exercise instructors, and life coaches. Anyone looking to obtain more clients or add more services and credentials to their resume will benefit from our Brain Health Recovery Coach course. Contact us today at 1-800-706-0318.